What's up, everybody? Car Plumtrician, and today I'm doing an injector swap because I had a misfire on cylinder 6. But I want to get into something that there's a lot of misconception about, is this tool right here. And everybody thinks because it's cordless and it's battery powered that it should be able to crank out bolts no problem. But what this really is a cordless ratchet. It is not an impact. So basically, this is to ratchet, to break loose or to tighten fully, and then power your bolt out or in to help with the ease of things. A lot of people say, oh, this tool has no power, I can't get my bolts out. That's not what this is for. This is to help you crack your bolts loose and then power them out, so you're not sitting there like this. So I see a lot of people saying like, oh, this tool has no power. This is not an impact. This is a ratchet, a powered ratchet. There are powered impacts, right angle impacts like this, that will break bolts and nuts loose. But this tool does not do that. So I hope this helps anybody who is confused about this tool. If you want a cordless ratchet, this is a fantastic ratchet. If you want a right angle impact, there are right angle impacts, and they are great as well. But each tool has its job. So I hope this clarifies anything. And yeah, check it out.
They're nice and clean. Show them off.
All right, so here is a good example. So this is a fuel rail, and these bolts are at 18 foot-pounds. And I'm going to try and crack that. Nothing. It locks up. But the point of this tool is to put leverage on and crack those bolts loose, and then this backs it out. And it's the same thing going in. You can run that bolt in and then crank it, or use a torque wrench to get it torqued down to spec. That's what that tool is for. That tool is basically just to make it easy for in and out of bolts, and then you tighten them with the tool. So I hope that helps.